Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Determining whether gold is 22K or 24K involves checking its purity mark or using an acid test kit. Gold items are often stamped with a hallmark indicating purity, with 22K gold marked as 916 and 24K as 999. For a more accurate test, an acid test kit can be used. 22K gold will show a slight reaction, whereas 24K gold remains unaffected. Always consider consulting with a professional jeweler for precise verification, ensuring you handle your valuables with care and get reliable results.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.